Hello guys, Shubham here back again. So on our channel, we have made a whole lot of videos of Android 13 ROMs. Right from its installation to the complete review, it's been a whole lot of list and being a huge roller coaster ride. But till now, many users ask me and many of my viewers that which ROM is something good for a daily driver, which ROM is good in terms of gaming. So I just thought of to make a video where I will be sharing with you my top 5 list of custom ROMs which is based on Android 13. This list might differ from user to user and also from everyone's perspective. But this list is something which I made as per my usage of each and every ROM for almost a week, and also you can see the videos on my channel where I have made a dedicated video of each of these ROM which I will be sharing with you. So without any further ado, let's get into it and see which ROM ranks the number 1. So on the number 5 we have No.4 OS. Talking about No.4 OS, then the most highlighting part of this ROM was the way developers built the customization section of it. It was quite cozy and kinda everything assembled at one place. This ROM was pretty good in terms of gaming performance too, where you will get game space to do all custom settings while playing games. The battery on this ROM was pretty decent and manageable. This ROM was compatible with all versions of Gcam with IR face unlock and direct sound enhancer inbuilt. In my opinion, this ROM was lacking in terms of battery life for passionate gamers, but surely an amazing piece of build to use as a daily driver. So next up on number 4 is the Corvus OS. There is no need of introduction for this ROM, which took over the custom ROM community since the Android 10 era. The most attractive thing in this ROM is the way they use the colorways and combinations in every section of user interface, which feels pleasant to users' eyes and even quite user-friendly. Talking about user-friendly, then the customization section is quite compact. They make sure to target those features which user might actually use in day-to-day life and feel the power of Corvus OS. The small and tiny animations in every section under setting makes this ROM somehow special too. This ROM ranks decent onto the score, but that doesn't really matter. The stability and snappiness of this ROM is off the charts. This ROM is not actually made for gaming, but as a daily driver, it's worth to give a shot. So number 3 on the list is the Evolution X ROM. This Android 13 ROM might be the best in class when it was about performance and stability. Evolution X doesn't comes with much of modern approach UI when it's about customizations, like they use the old school kind of lengthy list view UI approach for it. Talk about gaming, then yes, this ROM is surely made for gaming, as you will get a super smooth gameplay ranging from 30 to 60 FPS. And it won't cause any issues with respect to that. The battery performance of this ROM is pretty impressive when compared to all the other ROMs in the league. This ROM was remembered due to its remarkable Antutu score. No need to mention we don't rely much on scores, but yes, this ROM was giving an unforgettable Antutu score which was highest of all. Surprisingly, this ROM came unofficial out of the box, but surely a ROM which can be used both as a gaming and also as a daily driver. So now here comes the number 2 in the list, that is the Project Alexa ROM. There are quite a few reasons why this ROM ranks in the top 3, and those reasons are kinda self-explanatory. Project Alexa came up with huge upgrade in terms of its stability and performance improvements. Not to mention that also made this ROM rank highest in terms of Antutu scores. The customization section in this ROM was list view UI, which is again the old school type, but still they again did a good job of including customizations which are quite crucial and useful ones. The gaming performance in this ROM was quite impressive, and it would satisfy a regular mobile gamer playing high FPS games like BGMI and Genshin Impact. The battery life was pretty good in this ROM too. The ROM was built for both gaming as well as to use as a daily driver and satisfies both type of user base. So now it's about the damn time to witness the number 1 ROM in the list. And I guess in my opinion everyone will agree why it's ranked on number 1. Coming to the number 1 ROM in the list, which gets frequent updates, feature improvements, performance tweak and a lot more. It's the Android ROM. The package of power packed performance and stability which gained huge reputation in the custom ROM community. Android ROM comes with a huge user base which caters all the needs, be it gaming, daily scroller or some normal day-to-day tasks. This ROM serves it all. The ROM has quite a friendly type of UI when it comes about customizations, and also the gaming performance is off the charts. Even after critical gaming, this ROM manages to serve you quite well for your other tasks and some normal day-to-day work. The Antutu score of this ROM seemed to me quite biased and unfair, and somehow Antutu score does not rank that accurate and perfect. That's the major reason I hate numbers. Android stands above all for most astonishing part, that is the regular updates. The ROM community knows very well how to keep their user base engaged and make them addicted to the ROM via its OTA. With that said, Android ranks number 1 in our list. So this was my list of top 5 ROMs based on Android 13. So let me tell you guys that this list was made by taking into consideration all the important features such as the battery life, the gaming performance, and also, as I mentioned in the starting of the video, that all of the ROMs are compatible with all the latest Gcam versions and also have IR and direct sound enhancer. Also, you will get CTS bypassed out of the box. So taking into consideration these features which are by default important for all the users and also some performance and other features which are quite crucial, this list is made for you guys. So let me know guys in the comment section down below that if you agree with it or if you have your very own opinion. All of these are welcome in the comment section and I will see each of your comment and reply them all. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, just hit that like button and also subscribe this channel for more such updates upcoming. Until then, see you guys again in the next one with an amazing next video. Till then, peace out.